Hello everyone, my name is Emrah Ramadan. Today I will talk about computer hardware, the physical parts of a computer that make it possible to perform tasks and run programs. Next, definition of hardware. Hardware refers to the physical components of a computer that can be seen and touched, includes input, output, storage device, and internal components. Hardware means all the tangible parts of a computer, such as the monitor, keyboard, and CPU. These components work together so that the computer can operate properly. Next, hardware classification. Input device, output device, and storage device. Last, internal components. In general, computer hardware is divided into four main categories: input device, output device, storage device, and internal components. Each has its own important function in computer system. Next slide. Input device. For example, keyboard, mouse, scanner, microphone, webcam, and touchscreen. And for function, entering data or comments into the computer. Input devices are used to send data to the computer. For example, a keyboard is used for typing, a mouse for selecting or pointing, and a scanner for converting documents into digital form. Next slide. Output device. For example, monitor, printer, speaker, projector. And function, displaying or producing the results of computer processing. Output device show the result of computer processing. A monitor display visuals, a printer produce printed documents, and speakers output sound. Next slide. Storage devices. For example, hard disk, or an SSD, and flash drive or CD or DVD. Function, storing data temporarily. Function, storing data temporarily or permanently. Storage device keep all your data and programs. HDD have large capacity, while SSD are faster, more durable, but often more expensive. Next slide. Main internal components. CPU or central processing unit, the brain of the computer. Motherboard, the main circuit board that connects all components. RAM, random access memory, temporary data storage. Power supply unit provides power to entire system. These components work inside the computer case. The CPU process command, RAM stores data temporarily, motherboard connects everything, and PSU supplies power. Next slide. Expansion card and ports. For example, GPU, sound card, network card, common ports, USB, HDMI, Ethernet, audio jack, VGA. Expansion card add more function to the computer, like better graphic or network capability. Ports are used to connect external devices such as flash drive, printers, and monitors. Next slide. Peripheral device. Peripheral are external devices that expand a computer capabilities. Examples: printers, scanners, external hard drive, or UPS. Peripheral devices are add-on that support computer function. For example, printers produce documents, scanner detects image, and UPS units keeps the computer safe from power loss. And next slide. Assembly and safety. Turn off power before assembling. Use an anti-static wrist strap. Follow manual instruction. Avoid dust and heat. And next slide. Maintenance and troubleshooting. Maintenance clean regularly, check cables, update drives, backup data, and common issues won't power on unrecognized devices system like regular maintenance keeps the computer in good condition. When issues occur, check the power, cable, or software first before going to the technician. Next slide, advantage and disadvantage of modern hardware. Advantage, fast, efficient, large capacity, portable. And disadvantage, expensive, easily overheated, needs maintenance. Modern hardware offers speed and performance, but it can be costly and may overheat if not maintained properly. Next slide. New trends and technologies. NVMe SSD and USB-C GPU or for artificial intelligence, IoT Internet of Things device, and cloud storage. Today, hardware technologies are rapidly advancing. NVMe makes storage faster, USB is more universal, and cloud storage allow data access anytime and anywhere. Next slide is conclusion. Hardware is foundation of a computer system that enables software to operate. Understanding hardware helps in maintenance and troubleshooting. In conclusion, hardware is foundation that supports software. Knowing how it works helps use maintenance, upgrade, and solve problem efficiently. And last slide is closing. Thank you for attention. That's the end for my presentation about computer hardware. Thank you for listening, and I'll be happy. Thank you for listening.